Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Kia Stinger battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and in park. Next, locate your Stinger's battery, which is often found in the trunk or sometimes under the hood. Before connecting anything, gently clean any visible corrosion from the battery terminals to ensure a strong, efficient connection. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and effective charge. Now, let's connect your battery charger. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive battery terminal, marked with a plus sign. For the black negative clamp, find a good, unpainted metal ground point on the vehicle's chassis, away from the battery itself. This helps prevent sparks near the battery. Double-check that both clamps are firmly attached and won't accidentally come loose during the charging process. With the clamps connected, it's time to plug in your charger. Connect the charger's power cord to a standard 120-volt electrical outlet. Many modern chargers offer different modes. Select the one suitable for your battery, like standard or AGM if applicable. Keep an eye on the charger's display, which will show the charging progress. A completely drained battery might take 6 to 12 hours to fully charge, so patience is key. Once your battery is fully charged, it's time to disconnect everything safely. Always start by unplugging the charger from the wall outlet first. Next, carefully remove the black negative clamp from its ground connection point on the vehicle's chassis. Then, you can detach the red positive clamp from the positive battery terminal. Finally, replace any battery covers or trunk floor panels you removed, ensuring everything is secure and tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.